Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can test battery voltage using a multimeter. We normally do this sometimes when the battery is not powering, so just follow the steps and see how you can use it. Please follow, roll on top and subscribe this channel. Firstly, before doing anything, you first remove the battery from the phone carefully without breaking it, and this has been kinda a big challenge whenever we are trying to remove the batteries. When you use any sharp object which is a metal, the battery tends to explode. So when you're using anything, or if you want to remove the battery from the phone, because it's always sticky with its gum to the motherboard or to the frame of the phone, so use a plastic thing so that it doesn't produce heat whenever you're removing it. So we bring our multimeter, which we are going to use in this video tutorial. Actually, it's the main intention of making this video. You put the multimeter into the voltage scale side. You move it up to between 2 and 20. We are putting it between 2 and 20 only that the power which should be for the battery, it should be between like 3.8, not 20, not above 20. So that's why we put it in that time frame. You can see the battery is showing that it's having power of 3.74. okay, so when the battery, when they're looking for the negative and the positive, when you put the positive on a different part, you will see on a multimeter with a minus sign showing that the points which you're using to test this battery you're messing up with. So you have to change before boosting this battery, like, or doing anything to use this battery. If you like, not to make short circuit in the phone, or to let the things to explode or to damage anything, you have to check the right points. So as well, in this video you've seen how you can test the battery, how to know the negative and the positive side. Okay, so it's very easy. That's how you can do it, to test and see how the battery, if the battery is working, if the battery can charge again, or if it can be boosted, or if it's not powering the phone. That's how you can test it. So for more videos, just follow the channel for more videos or anything. You'll be helped out. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe this channel for more content.